Today, class, we're going to continue our lessons about rules and regulations of a variety of games. So, just like we did yesterday with football, we're going to do basketball today. Our objective is students will be able to identify rules and regulations in a game of basketball with a course objective as demonstrating a basic knowledge of rules and regulations for a variety of games and activities. So today is going to be basketball focused. So let's get right into it. The rules that we previewed yesterday at the end of yesterday's lesson, we're going to go over again today. So to start off with, we're going to have someone explain or tell me what traveling is. Will. Yes, traveling is when the opposite player moves with the ball without dribbling. Good job. Next is going to be carry the ball. So can I get James to tell me what carry the ball is? Yes. Carry the ball is when the opposite player is dribbling makes contact with the bottom of the ball and dribble it again. That's a good job. Next is gonna be double dribble. Lucas, can I get you to explain to me what double dribble? Yes, double dribble is when you dribble with both hands. Mason, can I get you to explain to me what goaltending? Yes, goaltending is when a defensive player makes contact with the ball while it's on the way to the basket. Next is gonna be Logan. Can I get you to explain to me what kickball is? Yes, kickball is when a player makes contact with the ball with his foot. So the next rule we're gonna have is fouling, which is blocking and charging. Are the two that we're gonna focus on. So can someone tell me the blocking with a blocking foul? Ethan. Yes, a blocking foul is when a defensive player makes contact with the offensive player. And I get someone to tell me what a charging foul is. Jacob. Yes, a charging foul is when a offensive player runs into a defensive player, knocking them over. And the last one is going to be out of bounds. Out of bounds is going to be focused on when we play. The ball must stay in bounds in play, and the player with the ball must stay in bounds. So we're going to move on to regulations. We're going to focus on the high school game. So the high school basketball game is made up of 4 8-minute quarters or 2 16-minute halves. If the game is tied in a regulation, there will be an overtime period, which is a 5-minute long period. So moving on to the first activity is, can I get Jacob to demonstrate traveling for me? Yes, when you see somebody roll their arms over each other, they're signaling to travel. Can I get Ethan to demonstrate carrying for me? Yes. When you see someone move their arm over and up and over, they're signaling carry. Can Logan demonstrate double dribble for me? Yes, the double dribble signal is when you move your hand up and down, signaling that the ball has been dribbled with both hands. Can I get Mason to demonstrate the kickball signal for me as shown in the picture? Yes, Mason, that is correct. The kickball is when someone kicks the ball and the person that signals is kicking their leg out, just like shown in the picture. Can I get someone to demonstrate the blocking foul for William? Yes, the blocking foul is signaled by putting both hands on their hips. Can I get someone to signal the charging foul for Yes, the charging foul, James, is signaled by putting your hand behind your head. So moving on, you all have that. Let's see if you can recall without having the words with it. So Lucas, can you tell me what's on the left side? Yes, it is double dribble. Mason, can you tell me what's on the right side? That is correct, traveling. Moving along to the next two, we're gonna have Logan tell me what's on the left side. Yes, it is kickball. And Ethan, can you tell me what's on the right side? Yes, it is carry. Moving on to the next one, y'all are breezing through this. I don't think you're gonna have any problems once we get to the actually playing the games out in the gym. So Jacob, can I get you to tell me the left? What's signified on the left? Yes, charging foul. Yes. And James, can I get you to tell me what's signified on the right? Blocking foul. That's correct. Let's move on to the next activity. Now that we've got signals, we're gonna move to regulations. So now we have a fill in the blank. It says high school basketball games are made up of 4 blank quarters or 2 blank halves. First blank, Mason. Yes. Second blank, Ethan. Alright, so we got 2 more blanks. It says if the game is tied after regulation time, there will be an blank, which is blank long at the high school level. So first blank, Jacob. Okay. We're remembering these. And James, the last blank, which is 5 minutes. Okay. Got that. We can check our answer and see if we got them right, which we did. Great job, guys. We're going to move right along here. Here's a video that I want you to watch. It's going to explain the rules that we've gone over and a little more in depth. Here we go. Alright, now that we know the basic rules and we've got a little in depth with it, we're gonna have a game to close out today before we go out and play some basketball. So let's start it. We're gonna team up in the teams that we're gonna have while we playing basketball. So first team, gonna spin. And the first question is, there is no difference in a foul, charging foul, and a blocking foul. Team 1, which is William, James, Lucas, Mason. False. Alright, that's correct. So, team 2, which is Logan, Ethan, Jacob, and Michael, but Michael's not here today, so. The next question says, overtime is 8 minutes long at the high school level. Team 2, and you say false. Alright, that's correct. Alright, team 1, you back up. You got a scar. Power. Then continue to spin for your question. You got a ×2 bonus. So we're gonna spin again for your question. And your question is, kicking the ball is not allowed. Team 1. You say true. Alright, let's do 200 points. We're gonna continue on. Team 2. Spin the wheel. Your question is, offensive players can move with the ball without dribbling. Team 2. False. Alright. That's correct. We're going to continue going on. Team 1. Next spin. And your question is, the player's hand must be on top of the ball while dribbling. You say true. Alright. That's correct. Let's continue on. Next question. 2. And your question is, on the high school level, a basketball game is played in 4 8-minute quarters. Team 2. And you say it's true. That's correct. Let's continue. And it looks like team 1 has won. So team 2, you have to get your revenge back when we get into the gym and play. So that's it for the lesson today. We're gonna go into the gym and play a couple games of basketball. But tomorrow we will continue with our rules and regulations lessons, but focusing on baseball.